Hello, this is Victor from Motorsport in Crewe, and today showing you around the Seat Leon 2.0 TSI Cupra 300 DSG. Finished in black and powered by turbocharged petrol engine producing 300 PS paired with fast shifting automatic DSG transmission, this hot hatch combines dynamic power with everyday usability. From the front, the Leon Cupra features sculpted bonnet, aggressive front bumper and sharp LED headlights that give it a stealthy, purposeful look. The 19-inch Cupra-specific alloy wheels are not just stylish, they help deliver planted handling and confident grip on twisty roads. At the back you'll find dark tinted windows, LED taillights and an exclusive Cupra rear bumper with twin exhausts. Open the boot and you'll discover enough space for weekend bag shopping or even a set of golf clubs. With 60/40 split folding rear seats and rear armrests, it adapts well to busy lifestyle. In the back you will find sporty styling continues with a black headliner, ambient lighting and rear headrests. Isofix anchors ensure family friendliness, while the LED interior lighting pack adds a modern premium touch. Up front, enjoy the support of sculpted front sport seats with height and lumbar adjustment, gloss black interior detailing and copper contrast stitching manifest Cupra flair. The Alcantara steering wheel with the Cupra logo adds both grip and personality. The paddle shifters offers tactile control, while the 3.5-inch driver display keeps all your vital data in view. With the Cupra performance interface and drive profile system, you can tailor your drive exactly how you like it. On offer is dual zone climate control, which allows both front occupants to stay comfortable with precise temperature settings. The infotainment system comes with radio and media, allowing you to access your favorites through the intuitive media system, thanks to full link connectivity via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth for telephone connectivity. The system also benefits from built-in satellite navigation to guide you effortlessly, as well as vehicle info and settings, allowing you to monitor performance stats and tailor interior options. Last but not least, front and rear parking sensors feedback makes parking stress-free. This has been a presentation of the Seat Leon 2.0 TSI Cupra 300 DSG. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.